Barbara and I, on the Barbara and Anita show, what temple are we in, Barb?
So this is an amazing temple of Horus.
Oh.
So he is the divine son, he's the protector. You've all seen that eye, right? That eye of protection, that's Horus. But look above, Anita, look above us.
God.
That is the goddess
I
Nut.
gotta go this way.
Can
to
you
go
see her?
longer.
The goddess Nut holding up the sky, grandmother goddess.
Wow.
She's pretty amazing.
You know, I'll have to do a cutaway. It's hard, but yeah, no, she is amazing. I looked up and I saw the blues.
Yeah.
And on the roof of these, the ceilings, there's always these beautiful blue stars. What is that? What does that represent when there's beautiful blue stars?
To me, blue is always the divine feminine. Always. That's the color of the divine feminine, that beautiful, beautiful blue, even turquoise. So very feminine.
But it's
There she
stars.
is.
Does it show? Is
Yeah.
that like
The starlight.
starlight in
Yeah.
heaven? And so tell me just the highlight. What is Horus?
Horus is the son of Isis and Osiris, and he was created by divine conception because Isis had to go find Osiris, who's chopped into 15 peoples by his evil brother. And Isis went around picking up all the pieces, but guess what? She couldn't get the penis. So through a magical invocation, she created this magical fertility symbol, had sex with him, and there, poof.
And then we
is
got Horus. So what are the highlighted qualities of Horus?
Horus is higher consciousness.
Okay.
Higher
Oh, yeah,
consciousness.
third eye.
But he's there to protect you. He's there to open up that cortex in your brain, which is higher consciousness.
Wow, and that's what we're all about right now.
That's
Higher
right.
consciousness, third eye. Let's explore the temple. Thanks, Barbara.